Hey, what's up, guys? No matter what you are selling, from life insurance to remote business opportunities to franchises, the most important part of your sales call is your info gather. Other people call this a discovery. And today, in this video, as a multi seven figure agency owner, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can master the mindset behind the info gather. So, I'm not going to be talking about the specific questions that you should ask in what specific order, because that's hard to remember. What's extremely easy to remember is the mindset and the framework of what an effective info gather is. And so this is exactly what we're going to be talking about in this video. So the first thing you want to do, right, before I get to drawing here, the first thing you want to do is really get clear and identify where that person is, and then get really clear and identify where they would like to be, where they want to go. There's going to be a gap in between. That's your opportunity to sell your product. But then, not because there's a gap that you're going to be the winner, right? So there's a race on how they can go from where they're at to where they want to go. So you're going to want to identify every potential solution that they've thought of or tried of in the past, and basically dismiss those so that the only solution possible is the one you have to offer. It just makes sense, right? So let's get to the drawing board here and look at what an effective info gather looks like on paper. So I'm going to be drawing two circles here, and don't mind the quality of my drawing, please. So we've got these two circles here. Now, what we want to do, right, is get really clear on their current situation. So I'm just going to write current situation here. So we want to get real clear on that. Basically, for example, if I wanted to, let's say, sell a business opportunity to someone, right? And I could ask them, what is their current income? Um, what's their current workload and how long they've been there? Are they happy with what they're doing? Do they like waking up and going to work every day? Right? I want to get real clear on that. Then I'm going to ask them about their desired situation. So this is their desire, right? Um, so, for example, how much money they want to be making with this new business opportunity. What kind of schedule are they looking for with this new business opportunity? Um, what kind of recognition from their family that would bring them, right? I want to create as much desire as possible. Basically, I want to get real clear on where they're at versus where they'd like to be, right? So this is like current situation. This is desire slash goal. All right. Now, here's the magic. Here's where the magic happens. Like I've already mentioned, you're not going to be the only solution. And probably these people didn't wake up this morning wanting to go here. Therefore, they have tried different pathways to go from where they're at to where they want to go. And some of them, maybe they got real close and it didn't work. Some other solutions that they tried, they thought it was going really well, and then, ooh, and it died again. And maybe they know that there's this potential really long solution that they could take to go there, right? So they know this is a proven route. Basically, the only way you're going to be able to sell your thing is if your solution looks like this, right? Or is perceived as this. Because now I've got the option between, hey, this I already tried it, it doesn't work. I tried this, it doesn't work. I know this could work, but it takes so long and so much effort, or it's so expensive. Versus this solution here is actually simple, effective, cost efficient. I think I can succeed with it, right? So it's the perceived value is here, right? So essentially, what a good info gather will do is go real deep on where they're at versus where they want to go, to give you all the tools possible to be able to articulate how easy your solution is, right? Compared to everything that they have tried before, or everything that they are trying right now or want to be trying in the future, right? I'll give you an example for lead generation. Okay. Let's say I want to sell lead generation to someone. I would be like, hey, in the last 30 days, how many leads did you generate? And how many appointments? And how much money did that do for you? Cool. How long has it been going like that? Is that where you want it to be? No. Awesome. So how many leads do you want to generate on a monthly basis? And how many appointments do you want from that? And how much income will that produce for you? Right? And if you produce that kind of income, what are you going to be able to do in your life that you can't do right now? I want to associate some tangible proof to it. Cool. Now I've got their current situation versus their desired goal. Now, what have you tried in the past to actually try to generate this volume of leads? I tried this LinkedIn stuff, didn't work. All right. I bought leads, I got the leads, I thought it was going great, but I didn't make any sales because the leads weren't good or whatever. I know that I could create a lot of content and like build a brand online, and it would take me years, but eventually, I would get there and I would be able to generate the amount of leads that I want to generate, let's say 5 years from now. Or, right, your solution is that they can just run proven paid ads and get there in 30 days. So, which one are they going to take? It's going to be your solution, right? So, whatever you are selling, this is the way that you want to position it. And this is effectively a good info gather. Hope that you guys like the, the drawing here, and that you don't think it looks like anything weird, because that was not the intent of this video. But anyway, if you like this kind of content, I would definitely recommend you subscribe to this channel, because we're going to be sharing content like this on a weekly basis. So if you like it, if you enjoy it, then definitely give us a subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.